Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to use British Airlines vouchers. So to use that we will open here British Airlines. So we have to follow these steps. So first of all you will just click on the login button at here. Okay. So you will just click on the login. So here you will just give your email ID and your password and you will just click on the login button. So you will be logging into the British Airlines. Okay. So from here if you want to create a triplet, it's like to use a voucher you have to find a flight and you would book and you have to review your booking and then you have to enter the voucher and continue to your payments. The voucher, like your voucher will be of for example like 20 pounds, so it will be decreases by the final amount. So here we just click find tickets, like find flights. So you will directly find the flights and you will be able to use your voucher by entering into the voucher code. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.